Well, today I'm very excited because my client is none other than my baby, Tia. I'm not going to put her on camera yet because we've got to talk about a few things first. We're going to be discussing food chains today. And I think she already knows a little bit about it, but we're going to review just a bit. Now here you're just going to take these organisms and put them according to who consumes who to get what? Energy. Yes, speak up. Okay. Energy. All right. So who do you think is going to consume who? Bird, flower, caterpillar. Now while she's doing that, we're going to review right quick. Go ahead, Tia, and do that. We know that everything that's kind of green, like our grasses, we know those things get their energy from the what, Tia?
Sun.
From the sun. Very good. So the sun is going to provide all of this energy here to this grass. Now the grass, we call the grass, what do we call the grass, Tia?
The producers.
Very good, producers. Producers because they do what? They produce
Photosynthesis.
their own food. Very good. I heard say photosynthesis, girl. They produce their own food through a process called photosynthesis. So they are the producers. Okay? Now, in order for the next level to be here, it has to consume the producers, right? And so we're gonna put, what do you think, what's something that will eat that grass? And you can go on to your next chain too.
Too easy. Try the next chain.
Oh yeah, they said that was too easy for her. That was a very simple chain. Now here she has a snake, a mouse, a hawk, and acorns.
Acorns.
Okay, very good. She knows that the acorns are the producers. Very good. They're gonna get their energy from the sun. Something here is going to be having to consume here. We're gonna call these our consumers. And because they're the first level, we know these are our primary consumers. And we write primary here today just with the 1 and a degree sign. And so I'm gonna put something here, like let's see what Tia has. She has a mouse. After that, what do we have, Tia? A snake. So our snake is going to be our secondary consumer. And on the top, what did you have there?
Hawk.
A nice big hawk. Okay? So a hawk would be at the top of this food chain, right? And it is called a consumer. What type of consumer is this called? Say it loud. What? Tertiary. Tertiary. Very good. See how I gave her a chance? Because she knows we don't play that. You better get it right, do you? Okay, tertiary. And I'm going to write that as a 3-degree sign here, consumer. All right, so that's very good. I think she knows what she's talking about. And she has to do this project, I think, for class. You said you have to do a project, a 3D food diagram. And you remember, I think, if anybody's watching that remembers a long, long time ago when Avatar came out. Yes, do another one. When Avatar came out, I had students in 7th grade construct their own Avatar style, like food diagrams. So they created these creatures from the Avatar movie that they thought would consume each other, and they gave me 3D models. So of course Tia's gonna be ready for her project. And what happened today, actually went out and found some products that she wanted to do. She wanted to actually do a food chain for an aquatic ecosystem. Because I think I asked her some questions like, what is moss and lichen, and she didn't count, she was like, So that's one that we decided that she would do for her project to kind of make sure that she understood some of the terms that she may not be familiar with since she is in biology now, honors biology. So I did find some little animals from Dollar General, and I found some other little holographic looking things here. I also found some Elodia and things like that. There may be some producers in an aquatic ecosystem. And maybe we'll play around with some stones and maybe look like some water for these things. I don't know. And I'm super duper, ooper duper excited. She's got to come on over here now. Come over and stand with me because I think you did that real good. Did you do this one good too?
Yeah.
Very good. So you did an aquatic one. Okay, so come on over here with me, Punk. Let's talk about this one right quick. Hey, girl. All right, so let's talk about what we have here. So, because Tia has to do this project, a 3D food chain, we have some materials here and we're gonna use this board as the actual mount for the 3D stuff. So, here again, you have your apparatus, and we're gonna have to have something be like the sun, I guess, over here. And what would be the first thing you would put here that would get 100% of its energy from the sun?
My producers.
Can you speak up?
My producers.
Producers, very good, okay? So go ahead and put a producer there if that's what you want to use for right there. And we have our little animals here. Very good, I like where that's stuck down in there. And you don't have to use these big ones either. There are some smaller ones in case these just don't look right, you know. Just try.
That one looked good.
It did? Okay. And kind of put them together because this is going to actually serve as her energy. So actually, let's turn it around since the cord is here. So we'll start up here. So put your producers here. Very good. Okay. And do you remember that with each level, each organism that consumes something, how much energy does it get from the level before it?
What 10?
Oh, which one is it? 100 or 10?
You said, what does this get? What does
So the
producers
next
get?
level, yeah, what will this consumer get from this level here? How much energy of this energy will it get?
10.
10%. Very good. Very good. She doesn't want a whooping.
No.
Look at how your energy is gonna light up. And you can make your energy light up, Tia, or you can have it blink. Yes. Or you may want to flicker like this because we want to actually show that energy. Okay, honey, just do another one. Just go to the next level. Go to the next one. We've done enough of these. What's gonna consume these producers? What's next, you think? Which one of these little organisms might consume a producer? What did you have?
A seahorse.
A seahorse. Why? Because it is like a dolphin or a small fish. Very good. I would say a seahorse. I've actually seen seahorse eating on little Ella Deer.
That's right.
Remember Little Mermaid? Huh? She better remember Little Mermaid. Okay, so some kind of way we're gonna stick this one on here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Even if we have to glue it down here, we'll do that. So what will be next on your energy, on your food chain after the seahorse?
Oh, wait. Is this a shark?
We can let it be a shark.
Okay. Yeah.
So that would be next.
Mm-hmm.
And then your big fish.
Oh, wait, no.
Oh, so look on your look back here at your marine chain. You have algae. So we have our green stuff, our producers. And then we have our small fish, which is our seahorse. Very good. I see your little seahorse sitting up now. Then they say a dolphin. Then a small fish and then a big fish. So what would be like a small fish?
That's a shark.
Is this a shark or dolphin tail? We're gonna make this be a dolphin tail.
Or is this a dolphin? No, this is a fish. This is a fish.
Ooh, I wonder what this is. I think
A
we're getting off
grasshopper.
track, but this is she said a grasshopper. It's not a grasshopper.
That's a fish.
What goes at the top? What you gonna put at the top?
The shark.
The shark. You sure?
Which is this.
Does it have a thing on its back?
Yes.
Okay, well then that's the shark.
And that's a fish.
Okay, she was right. And then we'll let that be the small fish. Okay. Oh, how about this
But
be the
this
small
fish-
fish? Let's let this be. Ooh, yeah, this
That's
pretty.
but is this gonna eat this?
Yes.
No.
Will Dory eat a seahorse?
No, she would eat.
But I just want to use her. She's cute. We're going to figure this out. The point is, we're going to actually have each one of these showing the energy transfer. And I think I'm going to have her put the percentages at each level, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it's going to look something like this. You think you're going to like this, Tia? I think it's going to be great. And then I think we're going to put some water, maybe some beads or something down here, and then maybe put our sun up here to show that it is an aquatic system. So just to make sure you have this correct, young lady, here I am getting 100% of the energy from the sun. Yes? When this energy goes here, how much goes?
10.
10% only here. What happens to this other 90%?
It goes to the waste.
It does
It
what?
goes.
It's lost as, remember your flip book? It's lost as heat and light. Okay, very good. So this 90% is lost as heat and light. Tell the people.
The 90% is lost as heat and light.
Okay, so what happens here with this mouse? Are we gonna get 10% of the 100 or 10% of the 10%?
10% of the 10%.
So what number should I write here? Do you remember?
1%.
Oh, say it loud for the people.
1%.
Very good, 1%. And what happens to that other loss here? Same
Heat
thing.
and light.
Very good, heat and light. And finally, the last little bit, this big old hawk, how much energy does it get?
0.1.
Tell them.
0.1%.
0.1%. So that may account for how the reason why when you actually do your pyramid, there are fewer hawks in the population than there are producers, right? Because the hawk has to consume energy in order to function. Whereas these producers, we know it's a lot of grass. These producers actually are doing what? Making their own
Food.
in a process called what?
Photosynthesis.
Very good. Give me a job, young lady. I think I have a new little assistant. Very good. T, can I ask you one thing? Come here. All right. On the spot. I see you added some organisms to this. This is supposed to be a food chain. What happened?
Well, I kind of wanted to put all the animals in there because they was like kind of cute. So. Oh, and I looked at the rubric and it said it was supposed to be a food web.
So what? Your teacher is supposed to be a food web?
Yeah.
So we were doing a food chain. It was supposed to be a food web. Shout out to Miss Matson. What's your teacher name is Matson?
Yes.
Shout out to Miss Matson for being great and engaging my daughter first day and making this assignment a food web instead of a food chain like I thought. Okay, so this is gonna be great. And I cut it on and was just blown away. So you gotta put your labels on it and everything, right?
Right.
All right, so I like the different levels and all this stuff. So I look forward to the rest of it. Okay, let's go. We gotta go. Well, the food web is done. I am so proud of Tia. Great job. Let's see how you guys did. Yes, this is our sun, our main source of energy. We have our phytoplankton and zooplankton, and I magnified that greenery here. And these are our producers. And as you can see, these arrows say that this energy is going towards this krill here, which is a primary consumer. This is also going towards the krill who consumes those producers as well. The seahorse is a primary consumer, and it consumes these producers here as well. Now, we've already stated that our krill is a primary consumer, and we have a secondary consumer here, our adult harbor seal. And as you can see, this seal consumes our rainbow trout, another secondary consumer. Yeah, sometimes meat eaters, they're gonna eat other meat. We also have a squid here, a secondary consumer. A seal also consumes that squid. Notice the arrows point toward who is going to be consumed. Okay, by who? The squid is going to be consumed by the seal. The energy is transferred from the squid to the seal when it is consumed. And finally, we have our tertiary consumer here, our gray shark, who consumes, yes, the trout, the squid, and the seal. So energy is transferred from our main source, the sun, and it is then transferred through each level for the organisms.